NTT WEMarine has operated a large number of ships over the past years and has built up and possesses a high level of skill in the maintenance of diesel engines. Our emergency generator maintenance service was developed based on technology and experience gained from operating ships. The services offered by NTT WEMarine incorporate its unique processes which maintain excellent running conditions. The NTT WEMarine engineers analyze data gathered from regular inspections and other checks and determine the overall situation, including not just the engine, but also its surrounding equipment. One of the most typical inspection tests carried out by NTT WEMarine's engineers is the dummy load running test. This test helps engineers to more accurately diagnose any problems by recreating real-life situations. This way, we can determine areas with high levels of danger for faults and carry out effective maintenance. The importance of emergency generators cannot be overemphasized. NTT WEMarine engineers respond to customer problems day and night with the objective of preventing the stoppage of communications and other lifeline emergency equipment. The emergency generator is backed up by a repair system that is made up of skilled NTT WEMarine personnel who are dispatched to repair situations around the clock. This service is available in a wide area centered around Tokyo, Yokohama, and Nagoya. NTT WEMarine provides system diagnostics through its home doctor type of service and speedy responses to problems in times of emergencies. We always strive to improve our services by viewing the situation from the perspective of customers. Furthermore, we support the businesses of customers by offering them equipment with specifications that best suit their needs. NTT WEMarine has an impressive track record, with 400 systems currently being maintained, all to a high level of quality of service. This is achievable through the use of NTT WEMarine's unique 360-degree evaluation system, in which NTT WEMarine and the customer check the condition of equipment and the service provided by NTT WEMarine through the involvement of a third independent company. Accordingly, our service quality as a maintenance team will continue to improve. Sudden rises in temperature can cause system trouble for equipment in internet data centers and offices. Air conditioning systems also have to be reliable and maintained and monitored on a regular basis, and this is also relevant for their power equipment. For such situations, NTT WEMarine provides an air conditioning solution service. Our solution components include highly reliable, high-temperature sensors and eco and energy-saving equipment. Therefore, in critical times, customers can be assured of timely maintenance for their emergency generator equipment. Air conditioning solutions that prevent computer system problems before they occur are increasingly important. After cultivating our technology on the sea, we're now expanding on land. We plan to further increase communications reliability as a member of the NTT Group. This is the new mission of NTT World Engineering Marine.